You saying good morning? Can you say good morning to everyone, Zeph? Zeffy. Here's that pretty face. Hey, kia ora, Helen, Brahms here, coming to you live from wherever we are, we don't know. We just stopped and got some breakfast. We've already been to the dog park, had a good run around there. If you want to see video of Zeffy running, you need to go to Zeffy's, what's her Facebook page called? Her group, Zeffy's Great Adventures. You need to go there to have a look and see the video of her running around the park. We were in the middle of the three parks today, which is one of the other big dog parks. They had the regular one closed off, but this one that we were in was muddy and messy and smelly. Lots of standing water down there, so I don't even know why they had that one open when the other one looked so much better. But she had fun running up and down the fence, racing this little dachshund. It was hilarious. This little dachshund was running as fast as it could, and Zeffy's just loping along beside her. It was funny. Made a very funny picture. But if you want to see that, go over to her Zeffy's Great Adventures to see the video of that over there. We are out and about this morning. My gosh, it's only 8:42. Look at that. And we've been up, showered, dressed, been for a walk, been to the dog park, just got breakfast. Now we're going to sit here in this parking area and have breakfast, and who knows where we'll go after that. So yeah, we're off. We're out and about on our Sunday mystery drive, and feeling a heap better than I did last night. Last night I had felt like I had a fever. I don't have a thermometer, so I couldn't check. So I just went in with all my natural remedies and everything, my oils, my vitamins, and woke up this morning feeling, and actually was in bed early last night, and woke up a couple of times during the night, but woke up this morning feeling heaps better than I did last night. So the sinuses were cleared because those were blocked last night really bad. The headaches were gone. Temperature felt normal again. So yeah, we're just out and about and just taking it easy today. I don't know if we'll go for a very long drive today. May just go home and just chill out back at home. But I do have to go get mail today because I didn't get it yesterday because I was at my mastermind group. But they don't open till 10 o'clock. So I could go home, I've got to clean her paws, for she has muddy paws from running around the dog park. She has a streak of mud up her back legs too. She's a mess. Hey, Zeph. But she's just waiting for her hash browns. She likes her hash browns. But anyway, we're out of here. Go have a super fantastic, sparkling Serenity Sunday. Kick back, relax. Let us know what you're doing today to relax, restore, and recharge, so that you're ready for the amazing week that is coming up tomorrow, that starts tomorrow, because this week is going to be an incredible week. I have declared it so. I am declaring for myself that this week is going to be super fantastic and sparkling. Even though on Friday it is the 4-year anniversary of Brad's passing, it is still going to be a super fantastic sparkling week no matter what. It is probably going to be an emotional roller coaster for me this week, as it usually is the week leading up to his anniversary of his passing. But you know, it's still going to be a super fantastic sparkling week because I have many years of great memories with Brad, and I treasure every single moment that we had together. But anyway, we're out of here. You gonna say bye, Zeph? Oh, you're very quiet today. You're just waiting patiently for your hash browns, huh? Anyway, go out and have a super fantastic sparkling day, and we'll catch you guys later on this evening around 6 p.m. Hey, konera.